Hello everyone, and here we are again at Artist Live with newsmadam.com, and in this we would be talking to renowned artist. और आज के हम इस सेशन की शुरुआत करें उससे पहले हम सभी अपने फॉलोअर्स की आने की राह देखेंगे और तब तक हम ये भी मेक श्योर करें कि हमारे जो आज के सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट हैं वो ज्वाइन करें. So just few moments in which we would be starting our live session. It's 7:59 and we would be beginning at dot 8 p.m. और सभी लोगों के लिए ये एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है उन पर्सन के लिए जो इस एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में आगे जाना चाहते हैं. सो इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर देम. सो आई विश एवरीवन कैपिटलाइज इट. और ये हमारा एक ऐसा सेशन था. इससे पहले हमने सजना नजम के साथ मैम के साथ एक लाइव सेशन किया था, वो भी हमारे व्यूअर्स को बहुत पसंद आया था. एंड नाउ वी आर प्लानिंग कि हम कंटिन्यूसली लाइव सेशंस करें, और क्योंकि हमारे व्यूअर्स का भी रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा है एंड पीपल आर मैसेजिंग अस कि हाँ आप सेशन करो. दैट्स द रीज़न वाई नाउ वी आर एक्सपांडिंग आवर लाइव स्ट्रीम सेशन. सो आज के हमारे जो So we are just moments away from beginning this session. Before that, thank you so much to all the viewers who joined in. और अगर आपका कोई फ्रेंड है जो डांस में जिसको इंटरेस्ट है और उससे कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं, then you still have some time, you can DM them and let them know the live is about to start. We are just moments away from beginning our live and we would be making it live pretty soon, and Mr. Pratik Utekar sir would be joining us pretty soon, and very shortly we are gonna start this engaging session with all our viewers. Just we are moments away from beginning this live, so just hold on to your breaths as we would be shortly starting it. So guys, we would be starting it pretty soon. So पहले हम उस पर्सन से बात करें, उनके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत जान लेते हैं. एंड हियर इट इज, मिस्टर प्रतीक सर इज हियर, सो वी वुड बी joining him pretty soon. And just we are moments away from joining the live session with Pratik sir. So guys, stay tuned.
Hi, Pritesh. How are you doing, Pritesh?
Hello sir, I'm absolutely fine. How are you sir?
Absolutely fine. Sorry, I was
And
just trying to connect since a long time. It was not getting connected, so it's there now.
it's all right sir. Like we are obliged that you are part of this live session. Thank
अरे
you so
अरे
much, sir.
thank you so very much for inviting me for your talk show. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you. Tell me, how are you doing, Pritesh?
I'm absolutely fine, sir. And like I can't just believe since the time you agreed for the live session, I was feeling like, oh my God, I would be interviewing this person. It was a kind of feeling like, yeah, a celebrity. I would be talking to a celebrity.
I should not say this. I mean, you should not say this because I think at the end we're just the same blood flows in the same body. So there's no celebrity. There's nothing as such. So please stop categorizing all that thing. I'm just as good as you all. I'm just as good as your friend. I'm just as good as any random normal person who is here on Instagram.
That's
That's about it. So
totally
good to see
your
you, but so good to see you. So overwhelming to see you and to talk also because yes, I know people have been dying, been in the quarantine where we all are really trying to connect the world. And yes, so thank you for again for letting me connected with your fans and my fans as well. So thank you.
we are obliged and we sincerely thanks appreciate your presence that you agreed to have a live session with us, and thank you so much again, sir.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
we would
Thank you.
so before we start this session, sir,
Hmm.
in this session, it is divided into categories. Like in initially, we would be talking about your journey
Okay.
from the part you began, and in the middle part of that we would be having some questions from your side as well, like from the time we posted your poster, from that moment we got many questions that sir se ye question पूछना. So we told them do join in the live session, we would be getting your question answered by the person himself.
Okay. ठीक है. Okay. I'll try and do my best. Whatever I can do it.
So, Pratik sir, my first question to you is
Yeah.
after creating such a great part in your journey, which you would consider it's the initial stage. So, tell us about from the beginning. When did you recognize that you want to make a name in this entertainment industry, and that too in dancing and choreography field?
See, I'll tell you, there was nothing in my mind as such that I want to be someone as in terms of कि मुझे ये करना है मुझे वो करना है. Yes, I wanted to be a choreographer, but I never aimed कि हाँ मुझे अभी ये करना है मुझे अभी वो करना है. I just kept working hard towards the aim, and I still feel I'm still working towards hard that aim. It's not yet where I really want to be. Nor I could say that okay, this is the stop
Mhm.
for me or that is the stop for me. But yes, I'll keep doing the same since the time I started dancing, when there was no stop and I could reach here. So I think that there shouldn't be a stop right now also to reach further. So I've been just doing my best in whatever way possible to do it.
You are inspiring millions of people, those who have come across your journey and people who have seen you on the television. Everybody is inspired by your journey, and they
I
still
really
feel that.
no, I was really happy to see, but I don't know. I'm really happy even if I could inspire one person out of it, because all I do is it's just the hard work. I think not even me, everyone. So even if I'm scrolling Instagram, if I see something, someone really good posting or anything, I also get inspired by a lot many things, a lot many times also. So I really feel blessed even if I've managed to impress even one person. So yeah, thank you if that is true, but really means a lot.
Yeah, that is the reason why people, from the moment we shared the poster that we are gonna have a live with you, from that moment people were like, yes, do take our name in the live session, and I was like, people are so much fond of you.
Thank you. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. One second.
Yes, sir.
I- I'm so sorry for that inconvenience.
It's all right, sir. It's all right. So, sir,
Sorry,
we will
sorry.
be continuing this session. और आपसे पहली बार आपने मतलब टॉकिंग गोइंग बैक टू योर स्कूल डेज. सो ऐसा तो हुआ होगा कि स्कूल के अंदर आपने जब कभी डांस किया हो और उस टाइम पे आपको रियलाइज हुआ हो कि दिस इज द थिंग विच आई वांट टू डू, यही चीज है जिसमें मैं कुछ करना चाहूंगा, तो उसके बारे में अगर कोई स्टोरी हो आपके स्कूल डेज
प्रीतेश,
की तो वी वुड बी हैप्पी।
प्रीतेश, बीइंग रियली ऑनेस्ट, जब मैं स्कूल में था ना, तब मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं डांस भी कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं। मीन्स आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली, मुझे नहीं पता, आई हैड जीरो व्यू दैट कि मैं शायद कर पाऊँ नहीं कर पाऊँ। इनफैक्ट मैं 10th स्टैंडर्ड में था और मेरे टीचर्स ने कहा, प्रतीक, इट्स लास्ट ईयर ऑफ योर स्कूल, आई थिंक यू शुड जस्ट पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस एनुअल फंक्शन, ग्रुप में हो जाएगा। So that's the first time I danced actually, and it started enjoying. So after school, we generally had a 4 months ka vacation period. That was the
यस।
time which actually made me realize, okay, I think I should go for dance practice, and I think I should just do it for fun's sake, because I started loving it. And I think I always say people that just do what you love it. So I just started loving this dance process, and slowly it became my career. And I didn't realize when it became my hobby, my profession, and now it's my career. And I think many more from here now.
But it's truly said that if you love what you do, then you don't get tired of what you are doing.
Absolutely, and I would rather, I mean, I always say, Pritesh, कि जिस चीज से आपको खुशी मिलती है, जिस चीज से आपको I mean, in whatever field, not only dancing, in whatever field you love, I know the result will be late, but I think you should just keep doing with your heart. And I think some or the other day that thing is going to just pay back to you.
Means simple, if we can describe, it should be your focus should not be on the income, it should be on the outcome.
No, the focus should not be on the fruit. If you're doing something towards to
Okay.
get the fruit, you will never achieve that fruit. If you're running behind something, that means that thing is running away and you are just running behind it. So I don't think so. You should run behind something. Just keep doing good what you want to do. Just keep loving yourself what you do. And I think that will be the one which will get one or the other day. And if it's not got to you, that means the love needs to be more. And I think that will end up giving you the best result
You
without
should be
expecting
loyal to
anything
the
else.
art. You should be loyal to the art you are pursuing.
Yeah, true.
And sir, like seeing your great fan following amongst the female. So many girls find like almost very means when I shared that template on my personal profile, not on this profile. So people are like, oh my God, you are talking to this. And like girls who
That's
haven't talked to me from past 1 year, they are messaging me, you are talking to him, please take my name. And I was
that's
like,
that's
wow.
that's so sweet. No. I think I really appreciate everyone, not only girls. I mean, there are many. I think there are many aunties, ladies, mamas who always keep posting me and keep saying, "Thank you, beta, for doing such a good job. Thank you that our children really like watching you dance." It just gives me a little happiness that. Uh, at least we could just be the reason for someone's smile. It can be a girl, it can be a guy, it can be a mother, it can be a father, grandmother, anything. So I just feel happy that somewhere or the line, I just try and make them feel happy or give them just a smile.
And being featured in a reality show, dance reality show, which is followed by millions of people in India. So
True.
and that too back to back shows, Super Dancer, Nach Baliye, India's Best Dancer. So how come you express that when you participate in your first reality show? What was your reaction to it?
Pritesh,
What was your feeling at that moment?
surprisingly, Pritesh, when I participated in the first reality show, and till date, when I go on dance, when I go on performance to perform on stage, the feeling
Yes.
is just the same. I mean, the same butterfly comes in my stomach till date, which I used to get on the first day. The only difference would be it's just the person who've been with me is different, but the journey just becomes the same. Because in a dancing thing, no, जब भी हम डांस करने जाते हैं तभी ना एक टिक 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 बजता है.
Yes.
तो वो ना that feeling of okay, it's rolling and it's going, it's just that. And I think जितना मैं स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करूँ, it will be less for me. And वो feeling अगर आप बोलो तो it won't be like I cannot express that feeling in words, because
Hmm.
it's the stage which gives that feeling to me, and it's something I think everyone should experience once. And that feeling comes till date whenever I go, wherever I go, and if I'm standing on stage and performing, the butterfly still comes.
Definitely, sir. Whenever any person, like talking personally about me, whenever I see you dance on stage, your expressions express that how much happy you are while performing on the stage.
As I said, you should just love what you do, and it is just the same. You should just love what you do. Someone asked me, "Where is my mom?" I just want to wish everyone a very, very, very happy Mother's Day to you. I am in my room, mom's in her room. I will try and get her, not on live, of course, but I'll try and get her on my post today if she agrees to. But yeah, sorry, Pritish, cutting you down. But I just want to wish your mother
No, it's
also a
all
very
right.
happy Mother's Day. Please do wish your mother from my end.
Definitely, sir. And like मेरे को सर पता था कि when we would be having a live session that your viewers would be interacting with you, and I was prepared for this.
Sorry about that.
Sir, talking about next thing is in when you came into this dance industry, who was your role model, or you can say idol, when you came into this industry or before coming to this industry?
I think, as I've mentioned earlier, also, there cannot be one role model. When I look up to something, when I have to reach something, there are many people who have inspired me. If you'd say about dancing, of course, I'll be very honest. When Shamak Davar was the company, dance company where I started learning my dancing. So when I was in my initial stages of just learning dance, of course, I was looking up for him as my dance model, Shamak Davar. And once I started coming into the industry and performing for television, I think Geeta Ma was the one who guided me right through. So I think Shamak Dar and Geeta Ma, if they say ki Krishna ke do mom hote, one gave birth and one took the care. So I think, yeah, I got the birth of dancing from Shamak, but I was taken care by Geeta Ma throughout my journey. So I think they both were the ones for me always.
Definitely, whenever we see you on screen and the relationship you share with Geeta Ma, it's completely idealistic that if a person looks after a person the way you look after Geeta Ma.
Yeah, I think I really think if you have someone role model just in front of you, I will be the most nervous person ever till date performing in front of her, just to know where I'm right and where I'm wrong. And I think it's the best feeling when she corrects me and gives me the guidelines. It's the best thing. I think mother is the only one thing where, she will never give you a positive note then and there. She'll always say, beta, this you have to do, and that will be the scope of improvement. And that's the best thing about it. Including my mother, or including Geetama, or including my idol also, because she's one of my idol too.
Because their aim is to get the best out of us.
True.
And sir, going ahead with this, when you go to judge the, dance shows or events, and when you see people are so much inspired by you, and people so much look after you, so how do you tackle this so much amount of love and affection you get from the audience?
To be very honest, I do go to judge events and stuff, but I go do very rare because I hardly get time because of our work schedule. But whenever I go,
Mhm.
more than the judging, I really, really feel overwhelmed to see the love where people are coming there and participating in it. I always say it is not necessary to win or to lose. The most important thing is to participate. And I think looking at the participation, it's the best thing. So I would want, no matter someone's there to judge, judging is just the criteria of numbers of 1 2 3 where people get excited, but the interest what they put behind that show is the most interesting thing. And I personally love looking that, and not looking ki, who's coming first, who's coming the second. The love towards the dancing is so true. But yeah, at the end of the day, people do ki, I want to win, and I don't blame them, because it just gives them a boost to do something greater and the better. So
Mhm.
that's the only thing we have first, second, third. But the participation level, it's the best thing. I would really want to go more and more and see these things more.
And definitely seeing people being inspired by you and giving their best, so it gives you a feeling that yeah, the thing you have learned from this dance, and when you are, this is a way of giving it back to the art.
I would rather, I mean, I would love to give something back to the art, because the art has given me so much, but I've still not
Mhm.
figured what is that I can give something back to the art. But yeah, just being with that art throughout my lifetime would be the best
Mhm.
thing I could really give back to the art.
Definitely, that's a example or a thorough example of being true to your art.
Yeah,
Definitely, this is
definitely.
the thing which I would keep it in my notebooks.
That's so sweet of you.
That if you want to become a great artist or become a great person, because like we had only conversation in like 15 to 20 minutes, but in 15 to 20 minutes I'm so much inspired by you, it gives a
That's so
great
sweet.
feeling,
That's so
and
sweet.
I'm
Thank you
really
so much.
obliged that I'm a part of this live session.
Thank you so much, Pritesh. Adil, yes, I think Adil is one of your teammate. Adil, yes, I
Yes,
think
yes,
Pritesh is
Adi.
going to read all the comments. Thank you, Shashank. Thank you, Pawan. Thank you, Nitesh. We will definitely go to the list also after this. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. So my next question is, before we begin with this fan section, my next question would be that I would be taking few names, and with that name, whatever memory you have to explain it. Like
Okay,
for
I will
example,
try. Okay,
like for example, working with Puneet sir,
okay.
Puneet Pathak sir. So share your experience working with him.
I think Puneet Pathak, more than something, I think he's one transparent mirror to work with. The way he is, I think I've never worked with such friendly atmosphere. I mean, everywhere it's friendly atmosphere, but with Puneet, it is just there. I mean, what is in your heart, we just keep it across. And Puneet has taught me, at least, to express what is simplicity is the best policy, and he believes in that. So to express anything, everything in just simple words is the best thing about it. And that you at times you say the words speak louder than anything. And I think the
Yeah.
motion what he taught me,
Mhm.
of course being a friend, of course being a mentor with, to any other many other people, I've worked with him
Mhm.
for many things, including movie songs, including reality shows, including a lot many things. And whenever I learn with him, there's something or other I learn every day with him. But trust me, he is one gem of a person. In lifetime, if someone has to really work with one person, I would definitely say it's Puneet. So much to learn with,
Okay.
and so much yet to learn with him.
Just sorry to intervene in this, sir. I got request like repeatedly. That's why I have pinned this. Can you speak in Gujarati, sir? Little bit of Gujarati. I got a request from this. Like this person was replying so many times that this time I
मैं
got it and I
અફકોર્સ
thought,
ગુજરાતીમાં બાત કરુંગા, મેં હિન્દીમાં બી બાત કરુંગા, બટ તમને ગુજરાતીમાં શું સાંભળવું છે તમે મને ચોક્કસ કહી દો, તો હું જરૂર ગુજરાતીમાં પણ વાત કરીશ. એન્ડ થઈ શકતું હોય તો નેક્સ્ટ મારો ઇન્ટરવ્યુ ગુજરાતીમાં તમે લેજો. પાકું 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 ગુજરાતીમાં પણ વાત કરીશું.
so जितने भी लोग चाहते थे कि to listen him in Gujarati, their wish got fulfilled. So moving to the next person. Next person is Dharmesh, sir.
Dharmesh bhai, I call him bhai. Puneet also, I call him Puneet, because we have that bond. Dharmesh is he is one person who is always on its toe, with excitement level on its par, because whenever you be around him, अरे भाई बड़ी ये करते, अरे बड़ी वो करते, and he is a joyful person. He will never let you sit alone. तू बैठा क्यों फ्री में, तू ये भाई ये कर, तू ये कर, तू ये कर. He is one energy packet which none could
Powerhouse
ever.
of energy.
Proper house of energy, definitely, yeah.
And another request on your screen, sir.
Guys, I can't
Like
talk in Kannada. I can talk in Marathi, and I can try talking in. I mean, I can and I cannot talk in Marathi. Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi are the only language I can speak. I know a little bit of French, but do not expect me to talk right now.
in our chat box also, like many messages, Pratik is live, Pratik fan club, so many fan clubs here. So when you see that much response from people having creating, and they are also very much hardworking, they create the fan arts and
I
the
always
all the
say, I always say that because of fans, we are there. If we are living this kind of life, is only and only because of them. If fans wouldn't be in there, we wouldn't have been here. So thank you so much for letting us be what we are. Is only because of you. I always say in my life, and yes, I'm saying it here too.
ओके। तो अब हम किसी भी लैंग्वेज की रिक्वेस्ट को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे, सॉरी व्यूअर। नहीं तो फिर हर लैंग्वेज आ जाएगी, तमिल तेलुगु सब आ जाएगा, एंड हम उस चीज को वेस्ट किए बिना हम मेन सेक्शन पे आगे बढ़ेंगे। अब नेक्स्ट है राघव सर।
Raghav, guys, I mean, everyone knows Raghav, and Raghav is one mad friend, I would rather say. I don't know, because all the scenes with me and Raghav are all maddening. I can't share right now, but they're all maddening. I really can't share
सर
right now, because he's one mad friend who would really want me to get high at any particular point of time. Pratik, tu ye nahi karta yaar, tu ye kar. So he's one mad friend, I would rather say, because वो सीधा कभी चला ही नहीं, वो आड़ा ही चला हमेशा. और वो जब भी आई मीट हिम, ही वांट्स मी टू गो समथिंग अदर, डू समथिंग एक्सपेरिमेंटल. राघव इज वन मैड पर्सन, ट्रस्ट मी.
तो सर राघव सर ऑन कैमरा ज्यादा कॉमेडी करते हैं या ऑफ कैमरा?
On camera, I think he does the comedy which is nationally accepted. Off camera, he does the comedy which mutually is accepted. So I think uska funny way is just there. Uh, but yeah, I think he's one joyful person. I would rather say he can never let you be sad.
That is a person जो मतलब माहौल बना के रखता है.
Definitely, he will be a party throb. Definitely.
And last but not the least, Shakti ma'am.
Shakti and me has a different bond altogether. Being a friend, being teaching him for into her in Jhalak with the Tushar. I think we have a more friendly way because me and Shakti really has a really good bond in terms of friends as far as its friendship has been concerned, rather being very professional. Of course, she's trained from Terence, I've trained from Shamak sir. So I think we always meet and we have shared things a lot, how things work in their company, in our company. So I think we meet rare, but it's a very strong bond. It's with Shakti, it's with Mohina, it's with, I think, every one of them.
Everyone with whom you have worked.
Yeah.
And guys, अगर आपका कोई भी question है, then you can start asking your question. So
Pritesh,
when we start that section,
there are 1,000 questions already being rolled. So I think अगर आप वो बोलोगे, your inbox will be full of questions only.
okay. So क्या है sir, like till now I'm just seeing hashtag Pratikian and all those comments for you, and I know that you are used to that thing. So I thought if they have something, any aspiring dancer has
They
something
will
to
keep
ask.
asking. They will, because my inbox also, they will keep asking. Why are you so cute? Now, okay, tell me, Pritesh, this answer. I don't know how do I answer all these, but I don't know.
Sir, that is thing, like everybody finds you so much so cute, and having in this live session, I also agree. Hello.
Yes, tell me. Since the favorite place in Bombay is Sea Link.
Okay, sir.
Pritesh, can you?
So we will be
Yeah,
taking the questions like we take so much. We are proud to be Pratikian, sir.
that's so sweet.
Okay, कन्नड़ा सर ने तो मना कर दिया
I
है
can't speak
to speak
Kannada.
in English.
Sorry for my bad hair today, guys.
Sir, sing a song, please.
This is Shraddha. She's my friend. She's just trying to make me feel nervous because you know how best friends are. She's my she's my best friend. I always I've mentioned in my stories also, and she always manages to come whenever I'm live, and she'll try and make me feel conscious. What is she doing right now?
सर तो फिर एक फरमाइश, हमारे जितने
Yes,
भी व्यूअर्स, आपके फैन पेजेस भी
I
बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे सर.
I cannot
सर
sing.
2 लाइन, सिर्फ 2 लाइन.
I don't know what song.
ओके, सो हम उसके लिए भी सजेशन ओपन करते हैं. आप कमेंट करिए
Are
कौन सा
there will
सॉन्ग
be
आप प्रतीक सर से सुनना चाहोगे.
आई थिंक आप लोग जितना मुझे प्यार करते हो ना, मेरा गाना सुनने के बाद मेरी फैन फॉलोइंग और ज्यादा कम हो जाएगी. Definitely.
दैट्स सो. वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम शीतल गुप्ता 5. प्रतीक सर, आप बिग बॉस हाउस में कब आओगे?
शीतल, that's one of my shows which I would love to do. मैं बिग बॉस हाउस में अनऑफिशियली बहुत बार जा चुका हूँ. आई मीन बिहाइंड द कैमरा जब हम डांस सिखाते हैं, जब हम टीच करते हैं उनको, तो ऑफकोर्स जो बिगनिंग की रिहर्सल होती है घर के अंदर, एंड टू टीच कंटेस्टेंट्स एंड टू टीच सलमान सर. एंड दिस सीजन आई वाज टीचिंग माधुरी मैम आल्सो इन द ओपनिंग ऑफ बिग बॉस. ऑफकोर्स मैं बिग बॉस घर के अंदर आ चुका हूँ, बट एज अ कंटेस्टेंट मैं डेफिनेटली जरूर आऊंगा. Because I think that everyone knows that me and Nishan wants to go in Big Boss house. That's why they're asking that question also right now.
Like everybody would be so happy to see you in this big boss house, like 100 days continuously we can see you at a specific time, so it would be a treat for all your
Nothing
fans.
else. Acha, 1 second, Pritesh. Shraddha, you asked me about singing a song. Shraddha, this is for you because you are my friend and everyone knows it. So, Sonu, तुझ्या माझ्यावर भरोसा नाही का? And now she'll kill me for this because her pet name is Sonu.
Okay, we have another question. How's your bond with Kishan? Kishan, sorry,
Ishan,
Kishan.
everyone knows he's my best friend. He was my teacher when I was started in Shamak Dawa. Then he became, I mean, of course, we were good friends. Then he came to dance show where I was choreographing him. So it's the bond of student teacher first, then became the best friend. And I think right now we have a crazy bond.
Okay, so I don't see another question rather than all the compliments for sir. Yeah, he is a superb singer.
Nah, see now my fan following will reduce. And if Pritish my fan following reduce, I'm gonna blame you because you choose that
नो नो
for
सर,
me to
नहीं
say.
नहीं नहीं, अब कुछ भला नहीं कर पाए तो प्लीज गाइस बुरा मत करो ऐसे।
नहीं
फिर अगली
करेंगे
बार सर
यार,
हम
नहीं
लाइव पे
करेंगे, कोई
बुलाएंगे।
कुछ नहीं करने वाला ऐसे तो.
Okay, sir. So, abhi till the time we see another question which should be asked, till that we will be continuing our session. So, my next question to you is, what was your reaction when you came across to know that super dancer के लिए आपको offer किया?
I was nervous. I was shit scared because I was really nervous because first time choreography करना किसी के लिए and choreography करना एक बच्चे के लिए जो आपके साथ perform करना है, because at times Super Dancer is a show where you have to live up to the small dreams. I never had such dream when I was a child or to do something or to become something. But when Super Dancer came, I was supposed to perform with a small child and to live up to his expectation and dreams and fulfilling his dreams also. It was a huge
Mhm.
responsibility. The first time I felt like being a father, and I think it's the feeling. I think Super Dancer is one show which can change your life in many other phases.
But the relation you had with your contestant, that was something very magical, if you want to
I
express it.
till date I say I love Super Dancer. I love of course IBD also because I am sharing a good bond right now with Mukul also. But yeah, but the innocence and love what kids bring upon, it's something priceless. And I think I have a really great bond with Preetham, with Ritik being the most. Sri John, I think I mean, they're the best kids come across.
And sir, talking about like in this, we talked about your journey. So now we will be talking about the moment you won Nach Baliye 7. So express that moment. What was that feeling?
To be very honest, when we started the journey, of course, it was Amruta Khanwilkar and Himanshu. We never thought that we would win this season because a prior season, हम लोग runner up थे with Gurmeet Devina. So season 6, that was we were the runner ups, and season 7 we won the thing. But it was priceless. It was priceless to another level because I never expected, as I said, if you start expecting that you will win or you will lose, if you run behind something, that will run away from you. So I never run behind victory or something. I kept delivering the best, and I think it will still continue being the same. I think it is one big stone. I would rather always keep it by myself preciously because it's priceless moment for me and for Amruta and for Himanshu also, and of course the my co-partner Prithvi was also the choreographer. Like, there were two choreographers, so I think that's one thing which we're never going to lose.
And next we have a question from your fan. Can you start making YouTube tutorials in this lockdown?
YouTube tutorials in this lockdown. I think there are a couple of YouTube tutorials already there in on the YouTube, but I will try and make YouTube tutorials because the amount of a particular place is required for me to deliver my best, and I would rather suggest, if I'm coming for everyone for any tutorial or something, I would rather give my best rather than being a little I mean, I don't want to compromise on things. So अगर मैं आ रहा हूँ और अगर मैं आप सबके लिए कुछ लेकर आ रहा हूँ तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरा 100% दूँ. So in this quarantine, of course, because of lack of space, I don't want to give something which is half informative. So I'm just waiting for the right time.
We have another question which is being repeatedly asked. Would you try roadies or splitsvilla, sir?
I would never want to do roadies or splitsvilla because I think that's some one genre which is so difficult. I feel when I don't see much also, but I don't feel like doing that show. That's all. I don't know what is it, why is it, because my friend has done. I mean, of course, Priyank is really one of my close friend also. He
Hmm.
has done. So I think उसने कर लिया तो मैंने कर लिया, एक ही बात है. So I think people who wants me to do road reconnecting. Do you have a male female classic? Of course, I love classical dancing. I love Madhuri ma'am.
Okay, sir. So talking about next thing, we would be asking like your relationship with Tarun Nialani, sir. Your friendship looks mesmerizing. So share something about your relation with him.
Tarun, I have met Tarun when I was choreographing So You Think You Can Dance. We were four choreographers over there, and Tarun was the student that time. So I think for the first time when I saw Tarun, I was like, okay, Tarun's going to be a really attitude person, and he's not going to be like, okay, I'm going to do this, I'm this that, but he was the complete opposite. He just came Pratik Bhai Bolo. I think he was one. I think he was one contestant where he said, "Sir, Pratik Bhai, आप जो बोलो मैं वो कर लूँगा," and I think that is the best thing about him. Till date. When I was talking with him live couple of days back, till date he says कि it was the best thing where I choreographed him, and I still feel yes, I should definitely choreograph Tarun and Shivani together, and it's one of their dream, but I would rather tell them if they're watching or if they hear it is my dream also to choreograph we all both together. But he's the best person to choreograph.
Yeah, like I should not share this, but I am sharing it. Like Tarun sir is also amongst the one of the people who would be coming with us live pretty soon.
Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. I think you can he will agree to this also, and he'll be happy to hear also that yes, it is my dream also to choreograph both husband and wife now. Actually, I came across Tarun and Shivani both as a contestant, So You Think You Can Dance, where Shivani was as a contestant, Tarun was also a contestant, and they both were friends. And it was just being friends. That was the first time they met, also, I think. And so I think Kishan and Aishwarya are just trying to distract Aishwarya.
Kishan
But
sir,
Kishan is also here. Aishwarya also here. Aishwarya, I'm gonna come live with you after this. Don't worry. Kishan, stop distracting. These are my friends. I told you they will come and distract me. But coming back to your point, yeah. So Tarun, I've met there. And Shivani, I met there. Of course, Shivani didn't made it to So You Think, but she made it to Dance Plus. And I think Tarun was really connected to me, even when he was really liking Shivani. He said, Pratik Bhai, I think he was very much open to me and to talk to me for anything and everything. And he said, Pratik Bhai, क्या करूँ मैं propose करूँ Pratik Bhai. I said, if you are loving her something, why are you even scared of? Just go and do it. So I think, yeah, that the one now he will kill me for me saying all this on live chat, but yeah, it's okay. Tarun, now you're married to Shivani only and not to anyone else. Kishan, I didn't do
uh,
my hair today because sorry, it was all over the place.
so many comments. Like I missed some of them. Like sir, please don't show off your hair. We are jealous.
It's not showing off my hair. Sorry, I'm just trying to keep them aside. Sorry.
Okay,
Ash and
sir.
Kishan,
And
thank you for joining this live, but I'm definitely coming after this to you both. I mean, Kishan, I know you're suffering from lack of network, but Aishwarya, I'll definitely connect with you. Sorry, Pritesh, continue. They will keep on making me conscious. I know that.
and sir, talking about this thing, many youngsters in today's world, like who are passionate about dance, they are aspired to participate in reality shows. So, what would be your message to all the youth who are interested to participate in reality shows?
As I said, right now people have become more towards fame oriented. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हमें कुछ भी करके टीवी रियलिटी शो पर जाना है या टीवी पर जाना है. I think more than that, it is not easy to come or to do just day and night rehearsals. As I said, if you keep loving your passion will take through that. I think just keep dancing. Dancing will let you take to reality show. Don't you all take yourself to reality show. Let dance take to your reality show. The time you are ready, TV will approach you. You shouldn't approach TV. I personally feel.
Sir, this was a question asked by my friend who was not gonna be available in this live session. So he messaged me yesterday कि प्लीज सर को पूछ लेना ना मुझे बहुत इच्छा थी पूछने की but due to some work I won't be in there. So
No, I
it
would
was asked by
definitely say,
Nishant.
please, yeah, please. I think Pritesh, you should definitely tell him keep working hard. Do not aim to do. As I said, अगर आप किसी चीज को, या if you're aiming to just go on TV and just do your dancing, that is not true love, right, towards your art. I think your art should be something which takes you through wherever you want to go, and not just because हाँ कि मैं dance करूँगा फिर TV पे आऊँगा. That is not right, I feel. And I think अगर वही चीज है, that art will be only for limited period and not for long term.
And sir, one special request if you allow me to.
Please, if I can do it, I will definitely do it.
Yes, sir. One of your big fan, Janvi, is in this live. Her
Uh,
username is Cutie Pie, and she is from the beginning of this live session. And from yesterday itself, she was messaging me. She's a good friend of mine, and she was like, कि just sir को बोलना है कि do say hi, Janvi.
Janvi, hi Janvi. I hope you are being home and you are safe. And Janvi, thank you so much for sending so much of love. My love to you also, Janvi. Keep dancing and keep smiling, Janvi.
And just to conclude, sir, just words of wisdom to all the people who are aspiring to be the next biggest superstar or in the dance industry.
Okay, since you have said this, I would rather say none of them have been a superstar overnight. None of them have achieved something overnight. Uh, if you all know everyone Vartika Jha, I will rather take her example because people know her and people see her as inspiration. Vartika Jha had come to many dance shows where I was being auditioning her and stuff. Of course, I love Vartika, and of course, so she has gone through many rejections, and that's how she is come to Dance Plus, and she's achieved. People always take rejection as okay, it's gone, it's a no for them, but I think no is nothing but a next one. So do not take no as a no and rejection as that. I think every rejection is a learning process. I have rejected so many times, but it was a learning process to know and to understand where I stand today. So guys, keep working hard. And I would personally say, please, wherever you feel like auditioning, please do give audition, not for the sake of coming on television, just to understand where you'll stand and how much you all can learn just knowing the dancers around you guys. Because audition process is the only process where you can see and meet millions of talent in one roof. So I think that process of couple of days, you can learn so many from just observing. I think observation is the best skill anyone could do. So yeah guys, please do not aim कि मुझे फेमस होना है या मुझे ये करना है, बट हार्ड वर्क करो,
Hmm.
फेम अपने आप आपके पास आएगा,
Hmm.
एंड आई थिंक यू ऑल विल अचीव समथिंग व्हिच you all even didn't even expect that you all will do it.
These were really inspiring words which every youngster should look after. So अगर कोई attend नहीं भी कर पाया live, so we would be uploading this on our IGTV, so you can see Pratik sir again and again till the time you are satisfied.
Thank you so much Pritesh for that. Thank you.
And sir, we have a special request from one of your fans. Ask Pratik कि वो शादी कब करेंगे.
गाइस मैंने मेरे पिछले लाइव चैट में बोला था, बट आई डोंट नो मैं शादी कब करूंगा, व्हेन द राइट टाइम इज देयर, बट राइट नाउ आई एम कमिटेड टू माय करियर एंड आई एम मैरिड टू माय करियर. सो या, आई एम ऑलरेडी मैरिड इफ यू आस्क मी दैट वे टुवर्ड्स माय गोल एंड माय थिंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, बट आई डोंट नो व्हेन लाइफ पार्टनर कम्स. आई विल डेफिनेटली डू इट, बट नॉट रियली सून.
And sir, your favorite song.
There are many favorite songs. I think people have asked me many times what are my favorite songs and stuff like that, but I think every time I listen to something which moves your heart is favorite. Aishwarya, I love you. I know I love you. I'm coming back to you, Aishwarya. This is
So
insane, guys.
sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Because of us, the live has been extended. But this makes us to the end of this live session. Thank you so much, sir, being up for accepting our request and coming on
Thank you,
live and
Pritesh, for
answering all
being
your
here.
fans.
Thank you so much for allowing my fans also to join here and ask the questions and make it so entertaining. But thank you, I would rather say, for removing some time, removing such activity where you can reach out to the artist and share their experience, and many people can get through in those things. So thank you so much, Pritesh. Thank you, News Madam. I think that the page which you all are up to in
Yes,
right
yes.
now. And thank you for letting me be here. And I would rather say, everyone, keep dancing, stay home safe, do not carry any negative burdens amongst your head in this quarantine time. Stay positive, stay calm.
Mhm.
And Ashwini, I'm going to join you in my live right now after some time.
And all the fans of Pratik, sir, you got a request to where you have to go. What is your next destination? So do join the live.
No, actually,
And
because you came across and you asked this question, it's a good interaction right now. But I also did think about it, and all Saturdays, Sundays, I just remove some time and just spend with them. So it's just a good thing for me also and for them also to just kind of share a little love thoughts together.
all the fans of Pratik sir, all the conversation we had and what are the inspiring tips that all would be covered in an article which would be published on newsmadam.com. So you can also check out that which will be published tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Please do share me the link, Pritesh. I will really, really.
Obviously, sir, definitely, sir, we would be sharing it.
Thank you, Pritesh. Thank
So
you for having me on this screen with you and sharing the screen with you.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining in. And it was indeed great pleasure to have you on this live session. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you so much.
And thanks to all the viewers who joined and asked all their questions. So thanks to all the viewers as well. So guys, with this we come to the end of this live session. अगर आपको ये लाइव सेशन पसंद आया है तो newsmadam.com को फॉलो कर दीजिए और newsmadam.com की हमने वेबसाइट की लिंक डाली है हमने हमारे बायो में, तो आप जा सकते हैं और हमारे सारे आर्टिकल्स पढ़ सकते हैं जिससे आपको अपडेट मिलेगी हमारे सारे सेशंस की. थैंक यू सो मच आदिल भाई, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग वी वोंट हैव बीन पॉसिबल लाइव सेशन. एंड थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन. जरूर newsmadam.com को फॉलो करिए वेबसाइट पे और जरूर देखिए हमारे आर्टिकल्स और सारे लाइव सेशन. हमारे पास बहुत अभी